EmSculpt. How does that help you pre and post surgery? And what is EmSculpt anyway? EmSculpt was originally designed to help people contour their body by providing a muscular exercise machine that's an electromagnetic field that helps contract your muscles. In fact, about 20 to 30 minutes using the EmSculpt machine, I have one here in the office, can mimic about 20,000 repetitions of muscle contraction. So you can put it on your abs, your glutes, your quads, your biceps, other muscles, and rehabilitate them. You can strengthen them before surgery, pre-op, and to help be stronger before you go into surgery. As you know, the stronger you are going in, the faster you recover coming out. And then we use it again post-operatively. Help strengthen your abs, back, core, gluteal muscles for the low back. And arms for the next surgery, it's also a very useful tool.